Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Welcome to Geniatech booth in 2026 CES show. Okay, it will be honored to show our latest technology in the e-ink. Okay, let's see.
This is very special, no?
Yeah, this is 42 inches ePaper. Let's look at it.
Nice. This is so big, so smooth.
Yeah.
Nobody else can do this, right?
Yes, the only one in the world, and you can do it. Erasers, and
Nice.
so many functions. Different template for the weekly report and different template. After finished content, you can share with your friend with the generator QR code and share with your friend. And also, there's a recording function.
And then use this camera.
Yes, but the camera is only for the voice, not for. You can finish.
All right. Then it records the voice at the same time that you move everything, and students can watch it later.
Yes, correct. Very important function, and in future we can add the AI function in it. You can do the meeting summary and send it to others.
So this is a real whiteboard
Yes, real whiteboard.
with the perfect vision
Yes,
to be able to see it in a classroom.
Very friendly to the teachers. No high-hearted and no heat generation. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, no, this one.
You choose a pen.
Yeah, it should be pen.
All right.
Very smooth. And low latency.
So you have a very good experience now, your company, with the e-ink.
Yeah.
You can come up with some really cool stuff. And what else we see here?
And this one is a bus stop sign, and you can outdoors and waterproof. Now 3 screens. We do our own technology. Only one board to the screen, 3 screens.
All right. It seems a little bit glossy, the reflections a little bit, but maybe you can do a matte finish.
Yes, correct.
Potentially.
And this part matte finish and can only partial reflection about it. Their power consumption very low. Our next one is about this 2, smaller one.
Yeah.
It too is a digital frame.
Nice. This has a solar.
Yeah, this is actually not solar. It's a room light charging, and
so it's a indoor solar
indoors,
system.
Yeah, you can put it everywhere in the office or at home, and you can push the pictures or photos you like by your mobile phone.
And this can change, for example, one time every day, the photo.
Yes, and if you change one day for the picture, it can use for the whole year, no charging.
Nice. So that means just indoor light is going to be enough to switch it. You have even on both sides.
Yes, it's a micro light charging.
It's not the power foil or different technology. You have some special partnership going on?
Yes, correct.
And what is this one?
It's the same one, but only the room light, not it's charging, but not the micro charging.
So not the indoor light. And this one is?
This one is 28.5 inches. It's e-ink, e-special 6. And you can see the color is very vivid and very smooth. Looked very beautiful, like the real pictures.
Nice.
And we can also do the partial shipment, partial flash, and also the whole flash.
Nice. Let's go this way a little bit. Here I see, what's cool is from far away, people can see, it says Geniatech embedded edge AI on ARM. You're doing some edge AI.
Yes, edge AI is this one. You can see these boards and built-in AI module inside. No need to internet and very low latency and security data.
And it has NXP.
Yeah, NXP boost.
It could be
95.
with the Kinara, ARA, accelerator for the AI. This can run a full DeepSeek and all this stuff. Fast AI, edge. And you also have a big one here.
Yeah, the big one is the newer one.
All right. And what's on this side over here?
Okay, we also make some modules, AI modules.
All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look right here for a second. I see a lot of different boxes.
Yeah.
What can you talk about here? Yeah, sorry, interrupt.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
This is our SOM on different chipsets to make different
NXP.
applications. MediaTek and Qualcomm.
All right. Qualcomm. Some modules.
Yeah, this module for the AI accelerator module using Kinara and Hailo and Deepex
Nice.
and
Deepex.
MemryX.
Oh, so
We made
it's
it
cool
for-
to add those modules to.
The onboard to meet different customers, different requirements.
Nice. And here's a little bit like on the wall showing some of your collection, no?
Yeah, I think
All these sums.
all songs and different format, and from the entry level to the highest level,
Nice. And on this side, it also says
the same that one.
industrial, edge, AI, with all these companies you're talking about, all these accelerators,
Yes,
and these accelerators from different countries, right? You have something from China, European, Israel, all kind, American. All right, you work with everybody
yeah.
to make cool products.
Okay,
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.